downhill and jumping all this.
Okay.
Anyway, the jumping discipline was what I was good at. And that basically improved my. That bike doesn't have suspension.
Yeah.
Where the basics get polished level. Very good.
I bet you can wheelie on that.
No, really, no, it's okay. My problem when I was racing all these 12 years was not to wheel. I always race the biggest club.
Right.
I have a small frame. And with my weight, 125 two-stroke, and it's about 30 odd bhp. 40, close to 40. 56, 30. Anyway, very fast machine. Now two-strokes are easy. I'm from two-stroke. That bike used to, when I'm taking trying to take a whole shot is when you want to go first in the first corner, starting group, first thing people start, and this thing, the gates fall.
Right.
How you want to get there first because half your race is
Almost complete the correct, yeah.
then it becomes easier. So, but at that time there was no like now these days there are a lot of equipment, wheelie assist and this and that.
Oh, okay. Right.
Where it would, you just start going for a wheelie and I don't want to do it. Meanwhile, these people are catching up with me. I don't want them to catch me. Wheelie is something else to do. Anyway, so by the end of
Arey, welcome.
Continue. Sorry.
Sunita is Harley
Oh.
and she's a
Arey, nothing like that. You are far better.
but your presence is there now. She's always been there.
Thanks.
She's one, I don't know now. I can't even call you an off-roader, can't even call you whatever.
Nothing. I'm just a biker on the motorcycle.
Anything, you are anything till like.
Only 1 lakh kilometers.
Only 1 lakh.
130.
130.
On
one.
only Harley Davidson.
Wow.
Not
She has one of the
other.
biggest Harley that's available. Anyway, we were talking about how I
Got it.
Started off.
Oh, nothing.
school time I used to ride BMXs.
Of course. That time I
very
knew.
good friend, like, we were
Yeah.
playing school time like from
Yeah.
the first thing I went with the fifth stand.
Ha.
From used to
Yes.
play with it, and my school was just beside the church. So there's again another mecca kind of thing for all the motorcycles. Little hills, track there, everything there. Okay, fine. In school, you don't know about cycling, you have about bicycles. After 10th, I raced about 12 years. That's 12 years I managed to beat the factory to I was the best. I was the fastest. I was good. But I could not commercialize that very well as the other people did. I never bothered. I only wanted to work.
I think that time Sham was there, Kotari.
Even now, huh?
Even now, yes.
Sham is one of the only
Yes.
person who made good bucks.
Good,
and
yes.
everything,
True.
everything good. He is the national champion in road racing and
Yeah.
all the three disciplines, major disciplines, rallying and motorcycles. I concentrated only on motorcycles. I tried road racing a little bit. It was not for me. It was not so exciting. I preferred flying than touching the knee down. Getting the knee down didn't excite me. Gymnastic classes, and I realized you can't be aggressive there. There's a motocross is fun. Like flying a fighter at every second. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it's like second most physically demanding sport after soccer. That gave me a good base for it. So like, taught me a lot of things. And I would suggest everybody should do some sport or play. That would be more. The cheapest is more. Then now. But that will teach you life. Now, there are a lot of teachers right now we find adventure teachers. They just sprung up from they're not like bike program. So there's no proved anything on the race track. Every second more you improve, every second more you improve. What do you make every second? Anyway, probably self-proclaimed type of business, they are in some
So was it tough to start off in did you have any background of racing?
Yeah, I have a little background with that, which is like my uncle, mother's younger brother used to race Rajiv Gandhi.
Okay.
Saw him race, so what triggered it.
Right.
There was this one TV movie called which I saw in the school.
On any Sunday.
Okay, anyway,
Yes.
it's like a Bible of motorcycle. If you want to start riding, you actually watch that movie
On any Sunday.
on any Sunday.
Okay.
It's a documentary.
No, it's Netflix.
We downloaded that.
Yeah, I think it's on YouTube as well.
Yes.
It's a very good movie. Made by endless summer surfing movie. Very well. But then motorcycle movie is from and
Aja, welcome. So he's just telling us how he started off.
racing was, see, the manufacturer were trying to sell their product using Ford. Ford racing. Ford was more of a thing in the 80s, 90s, on the Japs came. They were trying to promote their product and they were happy to be there. Now it is different. Now on the Harley trend has changed. People have adventures also started happening, and then everybody wants to follow their trend now. Now the sport is just a
But they're beginning back now.
Huh?
The
Harley?
hill climb, Harley
Yeah,
is
yeah.
getting lots
Yeah.
into that, and even flat track. You should go for that.
We will do that. We'll all do that.
Do now. You teach me, I'll come behind you as your assistant.
Today only that Vinayaka, we got him convinced of this.
Who? Acha.
We have a beautiful place. Kite has a very beautiful place.
Huh.
There's a climb there.
Ah.
There's a flat track there.
Oh, lovely.
There's everything.
Uh,
And there's a take a little basic facility also. And what, 40 kilometers?
Yeah, 40-45 kilometers.
so what is happening? There is a lot of opportunity for this sport, but then the thing is that we don't have the tracks.
Right now we have.
कहाँ पे पूना में कहाँ? Now see very niche people know ना.
Now.
Where like see
First
John
time
Singh track,
Ah.
like now that if I want to go into, then I have to go to Jaipur all the time for all those things.
Don't go to the.
So-
You just have to travel 30 kilometers.
हाँ, so now I know ना.
Now we'll make all year.
हाँ, चलो.
पीछे के 2-3 ledges है ना, ledges पे कर लें.
हाँ,
इस टाइम आकर देख लो,
हाँ.
अपने आप समझ में आ जाए.
And that decline that videos है ना.
Yeah, I saw.
That was at his place. Yeah.
Okay.
Where
So
went
Harley
on
Davidson is planning like
left Luzon or
Have a event.
हाँ, no. For now, see because of COVID, that IBW is not there.
Yeah.
But next year
Their
we plan
budgets are
to.
there.
Huh?
Their budgets are still existing.
Budgets are still there. They are yet thinking that they will do in May or something like that. By the time everybody will have a vaccine or something like that. But they are planning to do that hill, that like a bumblebee, you just go up the hill
Yeah,
and everybody
hill
falls
climb.
down and then they go up again.
Same thing.
हाँ.
Same thing.
So they planning to introduce that sport and racing here now. Even flat track, but they're not getting riders for that. I think
What they
and
need to do is keep this as a feeder
Mm.
and have the regular classes also.
yeah, true.
There's a lot of motocrossers over there. They do exist. Now we mix their class and the other class. They have separate the classes, but
Correct.
mix the event.
Correct.
So the event becomes gains in popularity with the other. And while Harley is a big name also,
Correct.
you can do something.
5 किलोमीटर का है.
Now Hero Motors has come aboard with Harley.
कर सकते
With effect from 1st Jan. So I think lot of opportunity for this kind of motorcycling. Lot of opportunity.
Let's work on this.
Definitely, yeah.
So how does one start off if he wants to get into trail riding or dirt biking?
First, initially, figure out if you really want. Okay. That it's like breaking your way. First, you go figure out. Okay, fine. Is it for you? Go try out a few things. But for that, if you have to buy a bike, become pain. Then you already bought a bike. And, it's not like that. If you can rent a bike or borrow a bike, go for a ride. See if you like it. Once you like it, once you know you like it, you want to do, then you buy a motorcycle. Earlier the impulse was, now the impulses are there. And to begin with, these ones, the white and they're small and they are powerful enough. They'll take a message.
So which company?
Hero.
Hero, yes. But those are like scary bikes to ride, yeah.
Rather than see what happens is
Because it's too small.
Because she's been riding big bikes.
another interesting bike that we have to try. We bought that bike.
140cc.
140. 99 kg something, 98 kg. Really bike, but it can put it anywhere. You don't think about.
But then fitness also has to be there, na Sanjay? One has to be fit to ride that 90 kg bike.
No, but the thing is, the efforts are minimum.
Achha.
If you put it there, okay, it's not going there, okay, fine, just put it back, put it there.
It's like a toy.
Yeah, it's like a toy. You can't do that with a Harley.
I know. No, that's impossible.
The closest big bike, closest nice bike.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, X-Pulse. Yeah, true.
But I would still prefer the Impulse. You can get hold of a used Impulse, so which is not very expensive. You can try a lot of things. If you don't like it, you can sell it.
Impulse to KTM.
Impulse is no.
Hero.
No, KTM
The, no, the Hero.
No, Hero. These are Indian bikes. Impulse. Impulse was before X-Pulse. They discontinued Impulse now. But there are, in the market, I think they are selling at invoice price only. Of that.
More than that. More than that. No, more than that.
So that's a very good startup bike. It's a perfect bike to start up. If you can find one. I think places like Pune is a place where the trend is more on. It will be difficult to find. Everybody is already taking it. The only different bikes which are sold there. Then came in the stuff. I stopped racing when I got after that. By then I was lucky enough. Not lucky enough, I had worked hard enough to clean all the factory and I could retire with dignity. Another thing I saw by the races was all the other guys who died trying, not died, but whatever. Tried and could not win and whatever. Now they have pressuring their kids to race. And that is one negative thing I'm thinking about. Whatever they could not. Their kids are doing it, they have to force their kids to do it. Some of them are doing good, some of them are doing good, most of them are not good. So their father did. And that was what I got. Started doing race, cross country race. Initially when I tried that, I'd done some racing. Great Himalayan race, grade 4th I've done, grade 6th I've done. Anyway, the fourth raid I realized I was too aggressive. You don't have a motor, you should not go there with a motor straight. You want to do something with a long distance race. I didn't know the design of the sport. Later I found out, but then it's a difficult story. They're both people won't even tell you. It's competition. Like over here you're like brothers, they are like, no, decrease the pressure, then do that race. There's nothing. They'll keep everything to themselves. They know that little secret, okay, fine. They'll just quietly say, okay, are you doing that? It's fun. That is the charm. And, I did the raid and then I could not finish it. I was running.
Raid, what was the kilometers for that raid?
See, in the raid you do about close to 3,000 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
And that 3,000
And over a span of how many days?
6 days. Because over there 200 kilometers you can't do much.
I know, of course, it's impossible.
And they have very strict schedules. Start at 4 in the morning, finish by 4 in the evening, 5. The terrain is so bad that they cannot
Extend.
finish by then.
Yeah.
You cannot find that trouble.
True.
And you'll find that people, like 80% of the people DNF in the first day. That's the design of it.
Yeah.
The design of that. They have something called the maximum for lateness. They will decide, depending on the first guy who reaches there, after that 1 hour. Whoever reaches 1 hour after that, then they'll decide one day before or maybe that day before.
Okay.
then that Barwar will have a different house. सबको पहुंचाएंगे,
हाँ.
ताजा तक पहुंचाएंगे. Okay, सबको पहुंचाएंगे also there will be more finishing.
हाँ.
You just figure out. It's fun.
Okay.
He was the boss there. He's the boss.
हाँ.
That's again one of the toughest events
Yes.
that used to happen.
Even that from that Bathur to that Gompu,
Yeah, that-
120 kilometers, I took 20 hours to do. I don't know how well.
That is one stage. I've cracked there only.
Okay, that one was miserable, yeah.
Going up Kumzumla.
Yeah. Even till Kumzumla is good. After that is the disaster. Yeah, that
I
one,
thought, no, you came this way, no?
from Kaza.
No, I'm doing this way.
You Ulta you all came from Manali side.
Manali.
Okay,
Every time it's different.
Huh.
But if you're doing it from Manali, on that Batul, all that river
Huh.
section,
Huh.
that's really.
That's the worst. Then first day only you're killed.
Yeah, that's the, you don't reach there. That's the second day.
Okay.
First day, he will tire you out, then he'll wear you out completely in the
Rohtang.
tree line stages.
Okay.
You start from Shimla,
Huh.
then you
Huh.
start from Shimla. All the tree line stages. Tree
Huh.
line is when it's still green,
Huh.
not really beyond the mountains.
Huh.
He'll tire you there completely.
Huh.
When the roads are good, he will give you a speed like you're supposed to do speed like 27 kilometers.
Are you?
Yeah,
Okay.
transport. Because people are there or whatever.
Huh.
And not then, but now, these days, the last trains, they have the transponders, so you can't even skip that speed.
So how long do you get the tulip from the start?
Huh?
The tulip, how do you get it?
1 month before.
1 month before. Okay. Huh.
But the details you not get like
Huh.
MPL timing.
Huh.
this, that.
So that you will get just before the ride.
Just before, just one day. Like in the
Okay.
morning, we shall leave, okay, your MPL for today is
Okay.
and start then. It's beautiful event that happened for 20 years.
Hmm.
Those of
No
people who
sponsors.
Missed it. Like Matt, but anyway. But good also.
Hmm.
You're safe. You're how many about 11 people have tried to find that event?
Okay. In 20 years.
Huh?
In 20 years.
Out of the spectators are before our spectators.
Oh,
That also counts. Like in Dhaka, they say
Yeah.
about 150 people have died. 150 people, I think only
20-30 riders.
right.
अभी तो चालू है ना वो?
अभी हाँ.
Santosh got also.
I know.
Last time.
Ashish.
Ashish is yet on. He
Yeah.
had some rib
Break.
bend on the first day. So when he was going up on the stage, that day only he had a problem. Abhi
Let's see. Let's hope.
he is some 82 position. Last when I don't know what it was today. Yesterday.
I think it's difficult.
It is.
Let-
He's alone, na? He's by himself.
Yeah, everything is. Earlier also, whenever most of these people, whichever event, budgets are not there, sponsors.
Correct.
That's the same.
So he got, no? Ashish got, no?
Invitation. Only invitation.
That's why he got the 30 lakhs that they were. But that entitles him to rise only that class.
Okay.
So that's why which is where where you do all of your own stuff. Last year that lady was the mother of three.
Oh, the Chipku.
No.
Three children. American or Russian?
Russian she was, and
Acha, acha.
the
I
whole.
thought you're talking about this
the-
one from the north from Apna India. Mein.
हाँ,
But she's not. She was planning to go to Dakar. No, what is that? Chutku? What is it?
Sara Kashyap.
Kashyap.
Yeah,
Yes.
but henceforth in future you will find a lot of
Indians.
Indians going there.
Good, yeah, good.
Now it's becoming the rich.
चलो अच्छा अपना तो उम्र निकल गया अभी
हम देखने को जाएंगे.
हाँ देखने के लिए तो जाएंगे वो तो है
We could not even dream of the
No, there were no facilities यार here अपन अभी हो गया अपना
अभी देखने जाएंगे.
That is true.
The events like that will make grown up.
Now everything is very well formalized and very well structured. The whole it's very professional now.
And then this thing, the organization. It's like more like a tour company.
That is
Put it that way. It's a sport, okay, fine, but
true.
similar, I think, raid also get it as a recreational thing also. They would have the feeder classes, the adventure classes, where people are going there for a joyride.
Right.
They invite other people.
Okay, from bikes now moving to the riding gear. How does one?
Riding gear now, see, earlier we were limited to only begging and borrowing.
Denim jackets.
No, not that. The foreigners used to come now.
That is
Then
true.
only foreigners. Used to like begging and borrowing and buying the second-hand stuff, what they would just sell or discard.
Yes.
That was earlier. But now people have the.
There is lot of.
Now you can buy whatever you want.
Yeah.
Anything that's there in the market, you can buy.
Yeah.
The places like this get you anything. And gear is extremely important. You'll be in one place, you'll come back safe in one place, one piece.
So, what do you think are the important qualities one need to have to become a rider like you?
The fire. If you don't have the fire, don't get it.
That grit and determination, you know. What I feel like when you're riding in like really miserable thing now, forget your skill, forget your muscle memory, everything. Just the grit, like shit, I'm not gonna fall. I'm not gonna fall. Like that's what I give it. I'm not gonna fall. I'm not gonna fall. So I think that gets you along. Maybe I'm just saying.
Of course.
So that determination to just get it through, and then later on, then you talk about it for years. अरे ऐसा हुआ था उस दिन. ऐसा हुआ था.
Yes, I've been
Yes,
there.
stories are like endless.
Then you'll die a happy man.
Yeah, true.
You know, story to tell you, grandchildren, this is what stupidity I've done. But which is what? If you do all kinds of stupidity, you want to make it back in one piece.
Yeah.
So gear is
Very important.
And now that we get the gear, you take it. You buy, you invest in gear. Gear is like you invest in jewelry. Gear is something.
But also that gear doesn't last you a lifelong
Yeah.
time. You have to change it every
Yeah.
3-4 years.
It has its
ऐसा
own-
नहीं कि एक बार ले लिया कि
तो ले लिया। So उधर
पहन लो
खराब
10
है।
साल वो नहीं चलता है.
Why is that?
Because it loses its technicality. Na? Like your helmets also you have to get it serviced. How many of us know that we have to send your helmets for service?
No, I got to know this today.
No, you have to service your helmet to understand whether it is valid or not. Because like I have Arai helmets now. These are multiple impact helmets. So I was hit by a car from behind and I landed under a bus. Luckily I was like scratch free. That because that bus guy just started moving and I was between the tires.
Oh my.
So when I came back, it was just the visor and everything was scratched. So I sent it back to performance racing. That Prasad is there. So they assess the helmet and they tell you, okay, you can use it or you can't use it. And this is what we will change. And even if you don't crash, I think yearly you should give your helmet for service. So they dismantle. You need to change the liners. Sometimes the liners get really bad. They kind of lose their, this tightness. So if the helmet moves, then that's the wrong helmet. When you put on your helmet and you just shake your head, it should shake with you. If your head is shaking in the helmet, then that's wrong.
That's loose for you.
Yeah, so then that's also dangerous.
So see, all of these even have where servicing car is available.
Servicing.
Servicing is available, very much available. You have helmets. See, Arai has very good because Arai has their thing. Shoei doesn't have a distributor. But then you can find people who will do it, and also online also you can learn a lot of DIY online. Like Shoei does not have their service center in India. So Shoei, then online you get to see whatever. Like many times in the helmet you will get these small चुटकी bottles. You feel like ये क्या है तो फेंक दो फेंको मत, उसको वो लगता है बाद में to service
has a
things.
purpose.
Yes.
Arai and Shoei are expensive helmets also.
Yeah,
That's
they
why
are.
That's why they are.
True, but I feel like if I think your head is definitely worth 60,000 to $100,000.
Absolutely.
You know, because if you buy some like $20,000 helmet and then you crash and then you come numb like a vegetable, what's the point? Then you will say that 40,000 extra had to spend, that would have been cheaper. So पहले से
Then you're going to spend more.
Yeah, more. And what about the suffering?
Yeah, I once had a crash. Helmet cracked.
Yeah. Helmet cracked.
My helmet cracked.
Which one was it?
I was 23 years old.
अच्छा, so that steel bird का होगा फिर. देगा नहीं तो steel bird.
I think it was studs.
हाँ, started
Multiple
with
fractures I had on my body.
Oh
Multiple
God.
fractures. I was 6 months in hospital.
Oh my.
Wow.
Doing multiple surgeries and bone grafts.
So see
My
then,
God.
because I have
helmet
had.
is like, I mean, that day, if the helmet was not there, it would have gone to my head.
Yeah, at least something was there.
Yeah. Head would be called. If the helmet can crash, then your head is called.
True.
Helmet.
Yeah.
See, 37% of impact is the jawline. So people who have those dabba jhakan wala helmet na, that is the worst thing that you can buy. Because when you crash, even at a speed of 40 or 50, the impact in G-force when you measure it na, is so huge that within fractions of second, the stuff dislocates, your jaw is hit the tarmac, and the shock waves have travelled from your teeth to your tongue to your inner brain. So you don't know that impact, how you are going to fall. So never wear that dabba helmet. Always full face helmet. Many people say, "Pani peena hai, cigarette peena hai," but aadhat dal do. Just wear that whole helmet.
Now in racing they have banned.
Yeah, because you will not get Snell certification. Snell certification is the highest in terms for a helmet. So they do not give for modular helmets at all.
What helmet also?
Yeah.
Now they have these helmets opening like that also.
Huh?
Now they have the helmet opening like that also.
हाँ वो तो कहीं भी joint होगा तो वैसे भी किधर से भी you don't know how you, the best part is because you don't know how you're going to fall, how can you whether it opens like this or it opens like this, कैसा भी खोलो. But जब तुम गिरोगे, then what if you bang at that point that has the hinge? It's going to open up. Yes, true.
Okay, बाइक आ गया, gear आ गया, next what?
नहीं, main is riding skill.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right.
Riding skill will develop. Don't push
Huh.
it initially. You should know how. You should know the funda. Like suppose if you're riding on the road, you ride over the bike. You ride out you ride over. Like on the road, you ride under the bike. Road is only touching it. You ride the dirt bike. You ride over the bike. You have to move your arms on this side. You're over the bike. Control
Opposite.
the slide. She's drifting. The drift isn't coming.
Okay.
So all of this is very important that you do it on a flat ground. So first beginning with dirt, even if you're Kenny Roberts or CBC, anybody, you'll find that dozens of their people doing dirt track as well as like when later they become progressive. But they all begin dirt track. Now on a flat track, you are opposite the same funda that you do that opposite weight on opposite weight. You press the opposite peg.
Correct.
You're shifting the weight there. When you're going this.
Correct.
Basically, all that exercise you do. Don't put that exercise, but just keep riding and see what happens. Stand up and ride. If you want to go there, do this, do that. Then you figure out. Do it at a slow pace. You know what is happening, and just practice. You spend a lot of time, a lot of saddle time. I would not say saddle time because on a dirt bike you're not sitting. Big time.
Big time.
We call it saddle time. Always sitting. Just ride, keep riding. Then you can find somebody who can tell you what you are doing wrong. Somebody you watch videos. My time, like earlier times, there was no classes going on. No YouTube also.
You lost few teeth and then you realized that you made a mistake.
It's important that you do practically, like go with some people and write and figure out what he's doing, watch body language. That is the fun. Unless you want to get back to YouTube and find out. Then my son go on the YouTube. Oh, this is what you do. Because my memory, it all comes in my muscle memory. Okay, I don't have to think. If I have to explain, I have to okay. This is what I do. And this happens. Let that happen, start developing, and then it's more fun. Then you don't have to think about what you want to do. First thought, do it. Second thought comes with, can I do it? Don't do it. Look at it again. Then do it. But and that later you'll get to know what I can do, what I can't do, and who's there to decide you what you can't do. That limit keeps on different,
Increasing.
So like first time is okay, yeah, this is easy. Push it, little push it. Then you'll know. That's the charm of dirt bike riding is you're not fast. So you don't crash big time, you don't fall big time. Unless later, suppose you want to do like Ashish Davrani, then it's a different story. Santosh Davrani. They do 140s in the desert. I've done the desert also. The rest of it is
Okay.
But then my bike, now the classes have become bigger, more people, more competition. Racing I can only go on, but racing on both.
Okay. So might as well do a practical thing and do something on this Sunday. We can do a small basic ride on a Sunday.
Then we can go to his place.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Oh, that's the best place to go. Let's
Yeah. Sunday. Sunday कर दे.
You guys.
Sunday
I
ले
don't know
जा.
if I'm going to go up that hill.
Go up the hill, we'll try. क्या किसी बात.
हाँ.
Done ना? Sunday.
है उधर छोटे हिल भी
I'll go on the small hills.
This one is the next one is difficult suppose. This one is
हाँ. We'll go ऐसा slant में, ऐसा सीधा नहीं जाएंगे, ऐसा ऐसा
smart.
जाएंगे.
Smart.
Always follow the lazy people. They'll find the best way around.
That is what Shabina and I ended up doing.
हाँ.
Manager also. That is all. So this chap, नहीं हम टेढ़ा करेंगे पहले.
हाँ, वैसे ही रहता है ना. Whenever I see something, वो let it be. ऐसे करेंगे.
We've been riding 1,30,000.
Is this Sunday thing for beginners also?
See, we will send them ahead. We will look at them, we will send them ahead, then we will assess our situation. And then we will take a call ना कि ऐसा हल्लू से टेढ़ा जाके ऐसा मुड़ के then we will go up.
How will we come down?
हाँ?
Coming down in
Then that same way we will come down. ना? Which side?
Let's
हाँ.
ग्रेजुअली वैसा